This is an Amazon wig. It is a 613 150 density 18 inch 13 by 4 lace front. And of course it comes with the combs and it's a standard size cap. I will leave the details below. So I really wanted more of an emerald green, so I used hunter green and electric lime, because as you're going to see in a second, the hunter green by itself is more of a dark teal. And we're going to use a little test strip of a wig that I messed up last time. We're not going to talk about that. But so as you can see, the hunter green is more of a dark teal color, and I absolutely did not want it to turn out this color. I needed it to be emerald green, like dark emerald green. So the electric lime is going to take out that dark bluish undertone. And of course you want to make sure you take the whisk and stir the color in there, because if you leave the clumps in there, it is going to mess up the evenness of the color overall. Now, of course, you just want to go straight in with the wig, but I'm not going to waste y'all's time. And we're going to fast forward, and you're going to see why in a second, because it did not turn out the way I wanted it to. The color did not take even or as dark as I wanted it to at all. So guess what I did? Went to the hair store, bought the products again, and we're going to dip it again, because I need that rich gem, like jewel tone color. So restart. And we're back with the exact same colors, exact same measurements. 2 full bottles of hunter green from Kiss Temptation and half a bottle of electric lime from Adore. And when you're going for a really, really rich tone like an emerald green, do not panic if the color does not take on the wig the first time, because a lot of times what you may have to do is dip it twice. And that is perfectly fine with me, because I was determined to get this color right, because I needed it to match this outfit I had. You feel me? So we're taking the wig and dipping it in a second time. As you can see, it kind of still has that teal undertone, but we're just going to dip it back in there. And I want to say I left it in the sink for like 20 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. But you just want it to absorb that color, especially because you added that electric lime, and it's going to take all that dark blue or dark teal undertone out. So obviously you're going to drain the water out of the sink, and you want to treat your wigs like your real hair in a way. So I always condition my hair after doing any type of wash or any type of treatment. So just condition your wig and then rinse out all the conditioner. It doesn't have to be like a fancy conditioner. This is some $3, I think it's Aussie conditioner I got from Dollar General. And you're just going to rinse the wig until you rinse all the conditioner out. And for whatever reason, I always end up getting like a ring of dye in my sink after I dye things. If you just fill up the sink with water and a little bleach, it'll take that right out. So when I do my real hair, it's a 10 leave-in spray, and it is great on my real hair. So of course I'm going to use it on my wig and brush it through, and it conditions the hair as well as acts as a blow drying agent and a heat protectant. And so you're going to take your blow dryer. I don't use the paddle brush at first just because I don't want to over manipulate the hair. I let the hair dry with the blow dryer freely, I guess you could say. And then once it gets about halfway dry, I'm going to pick up the paddle brush and start blow drying it that way. And first of all, let's talk about how tired I look. Look at these bags under my eyes. People do not work in retail because this is the result. They work you like a dog and you end up looking like this. So yeah, disregard. And one minor detail that I've done on my last 2 wigs is I'm going to shape up the ends and trim them, because you know when you buy some wigs, the ends come real scraggly, and I hate that with a passion. I just feel like it doesn't look as neat as it could. And I might blunt cut this wig. I don't think I am. So for right now, until I decide, I'm just going to clean up the ends a little bit. So before you apply any direct heat to your wig, spray a little bit of heat protectant in it. This is the Chi heat protectant spray. Now you're going to see that I'm going to start out curling this wig, but for whatever reason, halfway through, I was like, I don't really like how it looks curled right now, so I'm going to end up straightening it in the end. And as you can see, here comes little offspring coming to interrupt my filming. Gosh, I can't do nothing in this house. JK. So this is the wig in natural lighting, and then this is the wig with the flash on with low exposure, period. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and keep it saucy.
Hit it with a jab, no hook. Quick left, right hook. If you're talking about a legend in the making, write my name in the books on the come up, #1 stunner. Put your bid in, cause I'ma run it. Money green, keep the blue 100. Set the pace, no ace, I'ma run it.